Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Today we are reviewing the Bitkey Wallet. Bitkey isn't just another hardware wallet, it is one of Time Magazine's 2024 best inventions. Built by the team behind Square and Cash App, Bitkey lets you securely store and manage your Bitcoin. If you lose your Bitkey, you can easily recover your money using your phone and Bitkey's unique recovery tools. No seed phrase needed. I was lucky enough to unbox one of these devices and let me tell you, it is beautiful. One thing you'll notice right away is the aesthetics and weight of the device. It feels really good in your hand and it looks spectacular on your desk. The Bitkey feels like a smooth, beautiful pebble that you stumble across while walking on the beach and you just have to pick it up. Before we dive into the setup, I just want to say what really stands out to me about the Bitkey is how it's trying to bring self-custody to more people without overwhelming them. It's not just a good-looking device, it's designed with simplicity in mind. No seed phrase, no stress. Now let's dive into how to set up the device. Setting up the device is quick and easy. The first thing you're going to do is scan the QR code found in the box. This will take you to the app for download. Once the download has completed, click Set up a new wallet. We will show you how to recover the device towards the end of the video. Start by waking up your Bitkey. Touch the fingerprint reader until you see the white light. Click Continue. Next step is to pair your Bitkey device. To activate your phone's NFC reader, hold the Bitkey towards the back of your phone. Now we're going to set up our first fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor until you see a blue light. Lift your finger and repeat 15 to 20 times, adjusting your finger position each time. Once the light turns green, save your fingerprint. Next, we're going to back up sensitive data to iCloud. This will be helpful in case you ever lose your mobile device. You can now add an email to receive crucial alerts. Then hit Continue. Now, verify your email, set up notifications, and boom, we're all set up. There you go, you now have a Bitcoin wallet. This process is simple and easy. The fact that the device uses your fingerprint also makes it feel custom to you. Also, for those of you that don't want to deal with the seed phrase, this wallet gives you simplicity and reassurance with the iCloud backup. This is a backup key that is only usable with your hardware. This key is encrypted and protected by your hardware. So even if someone were able to access your backup key, it's not useful unless they also have your hardware. With other hardware wallet products, if you lose your device and your seed phrase, you've lost your money. Adding funds is easy. Let's get into two different options. Method number one, you can buy Bitcoin using one of their exchange partners. To do this, tap buy, choose an amount, and buy sats using Coinbase or MoonPay. Method number two, send Bitcoin to your public address. To do this, tap receive, then click on where you were sending Bitcoin from. Next, copy your public address or simply scan your QR code. You will send Bitcoin to this address. Once the transaction has been approved, you will soon see the balance reflected in your wallet. You can also scroll down to recent activity to see the progress of your transaction. Bitkey also has an inheritance feature, so you can pass down your Bitcoin to a loved one. Personally, I found that to be a pretty sweet feature. If you ever lose your hardware wallet, it's easy to recover. Follow these steps. Open your app, click on Settings in the top right, and click on Bitkey Device. Scroll down and click Replace Hardware. Select if you already have your new device or not. If you don't, you will be directed to order your new hardware wallet. If you already have your new hardware wallet, perfect. You are ready to begin with the next steps. Make sure to use a reputable link. We have a link down in the description below. Let's set up our new device. Once you have your new wallet in hand, the app will prompt you to wake up your new device. Pair with your device and connect your new hardware. Set up your new fingerprint. Replacement will then begin. You will then have a 7-day waiting period in which time you will receive 3 emails and 3 push notifications alerting you the recovery is in progress. This is to allow you to cancel in case this wasn't you. Waiting period is now complete. Confirm recovery and approve transfer of your funds. You will then see your old funds appear for approval. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. I must say I was very impressed with the wallet. It is aesthetic, it has a nice weight to it, and if you're someone that has yet to pick up a hardware wallet, this is a fantastic option. And for those of you that don't want to deal with the seed phrase, this is perfect for you. Overall, I think the Bitkey is taking a bold but smart approach, combining hardware security with app convenience and doing it in a way that feels modern and approachable. It's not just about eliminating the seed phrase, it's about lowering the barriers to entry so that more people can get involved in this space without sacrificing self-custody. Check out the link in the description below to get your Bitkey at bitkey.world or find it at Best Buy and Amazon.